Hey, what's up, folks? Mike, Netter Gold. Look, okay? So for the longest time, people have been asking for a hairbrush from Netter Gold. And been working towards it, trying to figure something out. Because this is a standard hairbrush. It is made of boar's hair. So it's a boar's hair brush, okay? So it's a fantastically soft bristle brush. Great for wavers. People love these things. They do an amazing job of helping out. You know, just make your hair nice and wavy, nice and soft, because it's boar hair, so it's a natural material going against your hair, which, you know, this helps transfer oils and all that fun stuff. It does all the amazing things that wooden combs do, you know, our wooden combs do. But there's one big downside to this. The boar hair, they kill the pigs to get these. So that was the big thing for me, right? I don't like unnecessary death. And I couldn't see myself going out and providing you all with this. Now, you may be wondering, how did I get a boar's hair brush? Well, I haven't always been so conscious for life, I guess. Or at least I haven't always looked toward it. I have a bunch of leather belts, leather shoes, and everything of that nature. And I took a good hard look at myself and was like, why am I doing this? This is unnecessary death for my own personal gain. So since I made the decision, I stopped. This was about 2 years ago. I stopped buying anything leather. Everything. So all the stuff I have now that is leather, I've had for years, and I'm not going to get rid of it because that would just be a waste of money, but I'm not going to buy any more stuff. So this brush right here is one of my oldies, and you know, it hasn't been used. I have a number of these things. My hair is obviously longer, so I haven't had much use for them recently, but I like them. I grew up using them, but like I said, I can't get down with the death of an animal just so I can have a nicer beard. So I was on a journey trying to figure out what could I use as a replacement material. And I stumbled upon sisal. Sisal is agave. You know, we talked about agave in a previous video, and it's agave fiber. This is made of agave fiber, and it's like a medium hard bristle. So it's a lot stronger than this boar hair anyway, because boar hair comes in different, you know, stiffnesses depending on the boar and the maturity of the boar and whatnot. So this one's a very soft boar hair. This one's like a semi-hard, medium hard, and I'm pleased with the results when it comes to brushing my beard. It does an amazing job of this. What's the word I'm looking for here? Exfoliating the skin underneath, you know, detangling, and also transferring the oils because it is a natural material. And you know, people ask me numerous times once I drop this on the site, you know, what's the difference between this and the boar hair brush? And honestly, the only difference is this didn't cost a life, but this one did. If you have boar hair brushes and you're happy with them now, you already own them, or you want to get more, go for it. I see no real difference between these two when it comes to quality, ability to detangle, exfoliating the skin underneath the beard, in the scalp on the sides here. Also the ability to transfer oils. But like I said, this does come in more varieties of stiffness. So if you like soft, medium, hard, you got this. They also take the boar hair ones and but they also intertwine nylon as well in there. So the nylon does give an extra bit of stiffness, but you know, plastic to me doesn't do anything. So I'm not into that. But this here comes in one stiffness, medium, hard, semi-hard. So if you're okay with that, this is a great option here. You know, I'm not going to really compare these two. Besides that, they both do the job amazingly. And the only reason I made the switch to the sisal brush from Netter Gold, obviously, is for the environmental aspect. Really, I just see no need to kill an animal. A lot of people thought that the hair was shaved off the boars, and that's actually an option a lot of people just don't use. You know, you can easily shave the hair off the boar and go from there, but it's actually a lot easier just to kill them, because the boars are wicked. So they kill them, shave them off, and I guess sell the meat. I'm not really sure what they do with them besides that, but I know that they kill them. And that was just it for me. So that's the main reason, the only reason why I made that switch. And if you're into a more health conscious look, so if you want to look good without having to cost a life, then this is good for you. If you're okay with a life, you know, being shed for your personal looks, go for it. You know, like I said, I have a bunch of leather belts, leather shoes, no leather jackets. I wasn't that cool, but you know. Like my next car, I can't even get leather seats. This is like an old car. Like I have an old car in my garage from like the 80s. You know, it's been, that cow's been dead. But anything new I can't get. So, yeah. So hopefully this wasn't too somber, too sad for anybody here. But there you go. I got boar's hair and sisal, and these are the two options, you know, that most people use. Well, this one's actually underutilized because it actually costs more to make this than it does this. So that's another thing. This is actually cheaper than this because this isn't utilized as much, so it's not as mass produced. This is mass produced. So yeah, that's all I got really. In the comments below, what would you rather use? The sisal brush or the boar's hair brush? You let me know. Cool beans? Cool beans. See ya.